Welcome to Lay's Little Golden Books. I hope you all enjoy today's story. And perhaps one day when your kids are grown, they will share these timeless stories with their own children. Marvel, the Mighty Avengers, based on the Marvel comic book series, The Avengers, adapted by Billy Rex, illustrated by Patrick Spaziante. A Little Golden Book. When Earth is in great danger, the world's mightiest superheroes assemble. Together they are known as the Avengers. Captain America. Captain America has the strength and speed of a great athlete. With his unbreakable shield, Captain America leads the Avengers in their never-ending fight to defend truth, justice, and freedom. Iron Man. Iron Man wears armor that allows him to fly and fire powerful repulsor rays. Iron Man keeps the Avengers one step ahead of the super criminals who use advanced technology for their far-reaching plots. Thor. Thor can control wind, rain, and lightning. When he spins his magical hammer, Thor can fly through the air at amazing speeds. Hulk. Hulk is the strongest hero there is. When the Avengers must face one of their toughest enemies, Hulk is the green-skinned giant for the job. The criminal organization called Hydra wants to take over the world, but they will never succeed because the Avengers will always stand in their way. The Wrecker and the Wrecking Crew are super strong bullies who think they can take whatever they want, whenever they want it. Luckily, the Avengers have the courage to take them on, anytime and any place. Thor's evil brother Loki uses magic to try to get his wicked way. Luckily, neither magic nor sinister schemes can overcome the combined courage of the Avengers. Ultron is an indestructible robot determined to rule the universe. But super science and advanced technology are no match for the might of the Avengers when they use teamwork to face this powerful foe. After stopping the bad guys, the Avengers take them to a high-tech prison called the Vault. Locked away, the villains can do no more harm, but they're always looking for a way to escape. Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and Hulk are amazing heroes on their own. But as the Avengers, their combined superpowers are an unstoppable force for good. Avengers, assemble! The end.